My name is John Bergstrom. I'm a film production and advertising major.
My name is Hannah Erickson. My major is advertising.
I'm Taylor Neal. I'm an advertising major with a music industry minor. My advertising, sales, and promotion class was really entertaining, and it really gets down in the nitty-gritty of advertising, which was really fun.
Drew me to the advertising major is I've always been really interested in consumer psychology, and I grew up in a very creative family. My dad's a graphic designer, so I was always drawn to the business side, but also the creative side. So I thought I would merge my two loves and become an advertising major.
I was initially drew towards the advertising major because I wanted a second major to accompany my film production. I just wanted to focus on more advertising to begin with. So when I saw advertising, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna do that.